Hi, I'm Chef Marco Ormonde of the North Restaurant. And today we're going to be preparing an amazing meal at this beautiful Napoleon barbecue, which is the Prestige Pro 665. The best part about this barbecue, it's got the instant jet fire ignition. It lights right up. So now we're going to do a burger. And we want the barbecue to be as hot as possible. And the beauty about Napoleon barbecues is they get really hot. We have the iconic stainless steel cooking grids. And it makes it a lot more fun when you have something that's restaurant style quality to use when you're doing your meals in your backyard. We have the charred portobellos here. The cheese now is melting beautifully. It's not too over melted because it's triple brie. Always season things a little bit. We have this beautiful burger that we've made. It's a Portobello burger with a triple brie cheese. We have a Tomato Bocconcini Salad for a nice evening in your backyard.